Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet this beautiful strap. For this project, I'm using raffia yarn, which is a paper type of yarn, and a 5mm hook, and you can find the links to the material in the description box. We start off by making a slip knot. Insert the hook. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. In the second chain, this one, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, then insert into the last chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. On the side here, there are 2 loops. Turn to bring them facing up, insert into the first loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, then insert into the second loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Turn to bring the side facing up. There are 3 loops this time. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the first loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, then insert into the second loop and the third loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, turn, insert into the first loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert into the second and the third loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, turn, insert into the first loop, pull up a loop, and insert into the second and third loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Turn, insert into the first loop, pull up a loop, insert into the second and third loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Turn, insert into the first loop, pull up a loop, insert into the second and third loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Keep repeating this until it comes to the length you want. This is pretty easy, and that's all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!